Hello, my name is Teacher Anna. I am a native speaker from the United States. I am a TOEFL, IELTS, TOEIC certified teacher with over 24 years experience teaching English as a second language to students of all ages from all over the world. I am here to help you with your vocabulary, your grammar, your reading, your listening, your speaking. Having studied foreign languages myself, I can understand your challenges by guiding your English learning experience in an encouraging and patient way. I studied history and political science at university and obtained a travel agent certificate at the same time. I own my own business and have extensive experience organizing large events and shows. I am an expert teacher of IELTS, Business English, General English, Travel English, idioms, grammar, conversation, English for children, and English for adults. If you have any questions, I am just a click away. I hope to see you real soon in one of my classes. Goodbye.